Yeah, I'm fat and I like nuts in my mouth.
Yeah, good one, Junior.
Spot on.
Yeah, are you guys ready to go trick-or-treating?
Oh yeah, dude. I'm gonna try to get all the candy this year because this is the only time of year where I get free food.
Die. So throw it away immediately.
What?
Oh no!
Jeffy, spit that candy out! Roll the candy back.
Well, Daddy, don't take my candy. I had to hustle hard for that.
Jeffy, it's poison. We'll buy you some more.
Mario, we can't buy him more. That could be poison too.
Okay, then you can't eat candy, but I'll buy you McDonald's or something.
Well, Dad, can I go back to chewing on your head?
No! Look, Rosalina, go tell everyone in the house they can't eat their candy, okay?
Okay. Chef Pee-Pee!
What do you want, Luigi?
You have to take away all the candy from the kids.
I already did. No candy until after they finish their dinner.
No, they can't have any candy at all.